Let me show you how to remove and also change blade on every type of box cutter. So either if you have a safety box cutter which retracts automatically, or one of these that simply like slide out. So first, if you want to change the blade on these type of ones, it's actually very easy. So you see, we simply like pull this part away, so the end cap, and remove it. Also on some of them, so you see we have to actually press and hold basically this area, so this here, to actually remove it, okay, like this. So then, as you see, you can simply slide this out, okay, and simply slide it out. As you see, I have the blade there. Okay, I can remove my blade. I'm going to take a new blade here. When changing these, obviously be very careful, as they are obviously mega sharp. Then simply take this bit and simply position. You see, you have the hole. We simply have to position basically this tiny knob inside that hole. Also, you see that part also, it goes behind that part. Okay, and then we simply insert it inside. So you see, we have the groove inside, and both the blade and also this plastic part, yeah, slides inside. Okay, so you see, really slide inside. Okay, if you can see, basically you see both parts are going inside there. And then as you see, job done. Replace, and we have changed it. So also, for example, on this one, so again, let's see, you see, it slides out. Again, it goes under that extra piece. Okay, again, simply like slides inside the frame. So what if you have this one, basically? So on these ones, it's actually, completely different. Also, we have different the blades also. So you see, I have basically a release mechanism. On most of these, you have some kind of release mechanism that you simply have to press. So you see, I will simply press this and simply slide out a bit. So again, only tiny bit, because it has got a spring inside. If you like forcefully try to pull it out, you might actually like break the spring inside. So again, very carefully. So you see, I'm simply going to slide actually by using this part here, or maybe this somewhere here. But again, so from the top, basically slide out. Do not pull from here, otherwise you'll break the spring. If I flip it over, you can kind of see the spring here already. So you see, we have the spring. If you manage to like pop off the spring, for example, as you see, what if the spring falls out? Okay, yeah. As you see, this is what it looks inside. So first, to change the blade, we can simply like take it and pop it up. And you see, we have the blade. Also, these blades are, you can simply swap it around, and you see you have basically a new part. Then also these most likely will have a magnet where it simply attaches. Maybe some cheaper units won't, but yeah, you see it simply like snaps inside those grooves. So what about that spring? So you see, I will simply like pop it back on. So this is not the first time the spring has came loose, but obviously this is a bit fiddly to get it back. Okay, so you see the spring is on. I'm going to actually keep holding like this and simply flip it over the other way. Okay, simply slide it inside like this till it clicks. And let's see, I have the spring also working, everything okay. Okay, good luck.